This is a chest fly on the M1. So what you want to do is adjust the seat to where the handles are lined up in the middle of the chest. On the M1, we need to unlock the arms so they move freely to do our chest fly. Before I grab the handles and do the exercise, there's one thing I want to point out here. Is when we do our fly, we want a little bit bent in the elbows and to really just come up, squeezing the chest together so the arms are not like this, they're actually more extended out a little bit. So, and don't bend the wrist, keep the wrist nice and straight. Really focus on that squeeze. Okay, so let's grab our handles. Just push them straight out. I'm going to put my thumbs on the outside. Feel you get a little bit better squeeze here. Come down, fight resistance a little bit. Always remembering to keep tall here, sitting up straight, and breathe. So it's exhale, inhale. Bring these handles all the way in, squeezing that chest.